Welcome back to SAS Beast Pro, your go-to space for smart digital skills. In today's video, we're diving into 7 Excel tricks on PC that transform your work. Powerful shortcuts and tools that'll save you hours and boost productivity. Now let's get started. Number 1. Transform data with Flash Fill. Flash Fill in Excel is a time-saving feature that automatically detects patterns and organizes your data instantly. It's perfect for splitting names, cleaning text, or formatting entries without formulas or coding. This trick turns tedious manual work into a one-click task. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Excel sheet containing the combined data such as names in 2 columns. Step 2. In the adjacent cell, type the full name of the first entry manually to set the pattern. Step 3. Press Ctrl+E on your keyboard, and Excel will instantly fill down the entire column with the names extracted from your list. Step 4. Review your results, and you'll see the full list neatly separated, all done in seconds with Flash Fill. Number 2. Freeze panes to scroll. Data freezing panes lets you lock specific rows or columns in place, so important headers stay visible while you scroll through large data sets. This keeps your workflow organized and saves time navigating your spreadsheet. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Select the correct cell. Click on the cell at the top left corner of the area you want to keep visible. This determines which rows and columns will stay frozen. Step 2. Go to the View tab. Navigate to the View tab in the Excel ribbon to access display and window options. Step 3. Click Freeze Panes. In the window group, click the Freeze Panes button to open the drop-down menu with freezing options. Step 4. Select Freeze Panes from the drop-down. Choosing this option will lock all rows above and columns to the left of your selected cell, ensuring your headers stay visible while scrolling through your data. Number 3. Filter data with slicers. Slicers make filtering large data sets in Excel faster, more visual, and interactive. They save time by letting you click through categories instead of manually adjusting filters, enhancing data analysis efficiency. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Select the data set you want to filter. Make sure your data has clear headings, as slicers rely on these to organize the filters. Step 2. Go to the Excel ribbon and click on Insert. Then in the Filters section, choose Slicer to open the Slicer selection pop-up. Step 3. In the pop-up, check the boxes for the headings you want slicers for. Press OK to insert the slicers into your sheet. Step 4. Arrange the slicers on your sheet for easy access. You can move and resize them to keep your workspace organized. Step 5. Click on any slicer button to filter the data instantly. Select multiple buttons to combine criteria across columns. Step 6. To remove all filters, press Alt+C on your keyboard. Step 7. Use slicers to explore your data visually. They allow you to analyze specific categories, regions, dates, or other criteria effortlessly, making large data sets much easier to understand. Number 4. Remove duplicate values instantly. Removing duplicates is essential for keeping your Excel data clean, accurate, and efficient. It prevents errors, reduces clutter, and ensures your data sets are reliable, making analysis and reporting much smoother. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Start by clicking any single cell inside your data range or Excel table. This tells Excel exactly which data set you want to clean and prepares it for duplicate removal. Step 2. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon, where all the main tools for managing and organizing your data are conveniently located. Step 3. In the Data Tools group, click Remove Duplicates to open the Removal Options dialog box, which gives you control over how duplicates are identified. Step 4. If your dataset contains column headers, make sure the My Data has headers boxes checked. This ensures your column titles aren't accidentally removed as duplicates. Step 5. Select the specific columns you want Excel to check for duplicates. Choosing all columns will remove rows only when every single cell in a row exactly matches another. while selecting specific columns targets duplicates in those areas. Step 6. Click OK and Excel will display a confirmation message telling you how many duplicate entries were removed, leaving your dataset neat, accurate, and ready for further analysis or reporting. 5. Format cells with conditional formatting. This feature makes your data visually intelligent by automatically highlighting key values or trends. It helps you spot patterns instantly and brings clarity to large datasets, transforming how you read information in Excel. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Select the cells you want to format. These are the areas where the visual rules will apply. Step 2. Go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting to open the menu of rule options. Step 3. Choose a rule type. For quick options, select Highlight Cells Rules or Top-Bottom Rules to mark values like greater than or top 10%. Step 4. If you need a custom setup, click New Rule and choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format to create your own logic. Step 5. Click the format and pick your preferred font, border, or fill color to style how the highlighted cells will appear. Step 6. Finally, click OK to apply the rule and watch Excel instantly bring your data to life. Number 6. Create simple sums with AutoSum. This feature saves time by instantly adding up long columns or rows of data without needing to type formulas. It's one of Excel's simplest yet most powerful tools for quick data analysis and accuracy. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Select the cell where you want your total to appear, usually just below the numbers in a column or beside the numbers in a row. Step 2. Click the AutoSum button found in the Home tab under the Editing group or in the Formulas tab. It's the Greek letter sigma, S. Step 3. Check the highlighted range. Excel automatically selects. If it's correct, press Enter to complete your sum instantly. Step 4. If the range isn't correct, click and drag to manually select the cells you want to add, then press Enter to finalize your total. Number 7. Center text. Across columns. This powerful trick helps you create a clean, professional layout in Excel without using the Merge and Center feature. It keeps your data flexible, easy to edit, and visually balanced across multiple columns, making your worksheet look polished and organized. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Start by selecting the range of cells where you want your text to appear centered. This could be a title or header that spans across several columns. Step 2. Once selected, press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard to open the Format Cells dialog box. This is where you can fine-tune how your text looks and behaves within the sheet. Step 3. In the dialog box, navigate to the Alignment tab. Under the horizontal drop-down menu, select Center Across Selection. This option evenly distributes your text across the selected columns without merging them together. Step 4. Click OK to apply the change. You'll notice the text now flows smoothly across the columns, perfectly centered while still keeping every individual cell independent for editing, sorting, or filtering. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy, time-saving Excel tips that make your work shine.